Hello again, people. It's Laura Etema, your vocal coach, and I am very happy to have you in this group. Okay, I know there are many newcomers here, and you're coming because you have one vocal issue or the other. Now, I want you to come here and solve the problem. Don't come here and look around or sit back and do nothing. You are here because you have breath problems. This is the place for you. You are here because you sing off key, or you have issues with following other instrumentalists, singing on beats. You understand? There are so many vocal problems. Some people have voice cracks. Some people, when they sing for long, they lose their voices. You understand? So you know why you are here. And let me tell you something. No matter what your vocal issue is, there is a solution for it. So look closely, focus, get what you want, okay, and roll with it. Is that clear? All right. So today, of course, I'm here to give you a voice training tip and share with you some voice training exercises that will help you get out of that singing challenge as quickly as possible. All right, so let's get straight to it. All right, remember to subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button, and then there's a bell also down there. Click on it so that when I post a new video, you will be the first to get it. All right, very good. Also, like the video, share the video, drop a comment, okay, ask any questions you like or whatever. All right, so let's get on to it. So the first exercise I want to give you, before I give you that exercise, these exercises, like this set of exercises I want to give you now, they are going to solve a bunch of vocal problems. Some people want to expand their range. When they go high, they crack. They don't know why. There's a technique to use to help you go as high as you want and easily. There's a technique to sing. Do you know it? That's why I'm here for you, and that's what I want to show you, okay? Now, these 4 exercises, I'm going to start with the hum. Hum, H-U-M, hum, okay? Just what you do when you smell the aroma of some food that you like. You get it? That's exactly how this exercise is. Now you want to hum 2 notes on your lower range and 2 on the higher range, like this. And then at the top range, then connect them from low to high. Okay, that's the first one. So you want to do this daily. You don't need any musical instrument to help you with this. It's something you can stand and do on your own. You can do it for 3 rows, 5 rows, depending on how much you have expanded, your breath capacity. All right, so that's the hum. Okay, the hum will help you to open your voice gradually before you start singing, all the big things, going high, doing riffs and runs and all of that. The hum will help you open your voice gradually. Okay, so you don't jump start into singing. You start with the hum. Okay, tell your voice, get ready, open up, let's get on it. All right, okay, so number 2 is what we call the NG sound. All right, this NG sound is going to help you build your resonance. It will help you use the spaces in your head very well to fine-tune your tone. Okay, NG, just the way you call Ngozi. All right, that NG sound in the beginning of it. Okay, so you do the same thing you did with the hum. And you go up. And then you connect from low to high. Ooh, that one helps you to also expand your breath capacity because it's quite tasking. I did that with 1 breath. If you can go 4, 5 rounds with it, beautiful. All right, so that's the second one, the NG sound. So the first one was the hum, the second NG sound, and then the third one is going to be the lip rolls. Okay, some people call it the bubbles. Now this lip rolls, God have mercy, it's going to help this voice open. It's going to expand your range. It's going to improve your tone. It's going to help you in so many ways. Now when you do it and then you start singing, then you know what I mean. the lip rolls. A lot of people don't know about the lip rolls, but now you're going to know about it right now. Okay, so you want to first start by putting your lips together and then pausing forward and doing this. Breathe in first, take in air to sustain you. Remember, the breath is the fuel for the voice, so you do. Okay, so when you're able to sustain a note with it, then you take it down to your lower ranges, pick 2 notes and jump between them like. Taking air and then 2 top notes. I hope you can see the way my lips are bubbling. Okay, a lot of people laugh when they do this exercise. It's okay, laugh, but then do it. Okay, so I want to now connect from low to high. Let's go. Can you see that? Okay, so if you can do this at intervals, as your day goes, you do it at intervals. Don't do too much, at a little time. Break it, to go throughout the day, and then, so you don't overwork your voice, all right? There's even another exercise I'm going to do, but it's going to be in the next video, so watch out for the next video. This particular exercise is going to blow your mind. You just can't wait for it, okay? So, but before we go to that one, let's do the number 4 exercise that I want to show to you, okay? Now, this particular exercise is the last of the bunch, and it's going to now introduce you into your voice, into using your voice. So before you vocalize, before you use your full voice, you want to go through all of these stages and then end up with the wee sound. And what do I mean by the wee sound? Just the way it sounds, wee. All right, so we are using the E vowel in this exercise. So we are going to do the same process: 2 low notes, 2 high notes, and then we connect them. So 2 low notes, wee. 2 high notes, wee, and then we connect, wee. Okay, so that's it. So don't go overboard. Don't go higher than you're supposed to go, so you don't crack. Okay, pick 2 comfortable ranges, and with time the higher notes will open and you'll be able to go as high as you want. But you have to take it gently, day by day. All right, so that's it for today. I hope you have gained something today. Now, don't just gain it and keep it to yourself. There are many folks out there who need this. Share with them, be nice. Share with them, invite them to the group. Tell them about the YouTube page. Tell them there's one Laura Etema vocal coach, a Nigerian vocal coach, who is, giving us hot vocal exercises to open our voices, okay? And then connect them to the group or to my YouTube page, and let everybody grow together. All right? So now, a lot of you also want to take online voice lessons with me, okay? Now, whether it's one-on-one, whether it's online, you're going to get your results. That's me for you, okay? See the way I'm doing this video? Are you not getting what I'm saying? Okay, so that's just it. It's online. You will get it, and then I'll connect with you again through WhatsApp and hear you sing, and then I will give you recommendations. So don't be afraid of taking online lessons. You will still grow vocally. So what you want to do, there are 3 materials that I sell, okay? These 3 materials, you will use them on your own for some time. Okay, when you get them, use them on your own. They are powerful vocal exercises there, powerful information that vocal coaches, choir directors, they will not tell you. They will keep it to themselves, but I have opened it all up for you. Get these materials, know these things, and then use them. After using them, I'm going to conduct a free vocal evaluation, voice test for you. Vocal evaluation costs as much as 10,000 naira. I'm going to conduct that free for you and tell you where the problem is and tell you how to solve them, just by getting just 3 materials. Okay, all right, so I'll put details of the materials under this video. Look at them, get them, and let's get going. Okay, all right, thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and let's hope that this coronavirus thing ends really soon, okay, so we can continue to live life normally, again. All right, bye for now. It's Laura Etema, your vocal coach. I love you.